Hey, are you wondering if you can do these kind of cool pictures with just your smartphone? Well, you can, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Hey everybody, my name is Sean Seymour. I own a photography studio in Sacramento, California, and at one point in time, I was doing some of my own photo work. I was doing splash photography, which I thought was really cool. I like to catch golf balls, fruit, all kinds of different things. But when I thought to myself, hey, other people might want to learn how to do this, and then I thought, well, other people don't have studio strobes and whatever to do it with, so why not show everyone how to do it with your smartphone? And that's what I'm going to do in this video. I'm going to show you how to do it with your smartphone. This is a great project, by the way, just for you beginning photographers. It's also a cool project for kids that are at home or anybody that's homeschooling kids. It's kind of fun, something to do. Plus, you can use the aquarium afterwards to put some fish in it. If we are just getting acquainted, go ahead and like this channel. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and click the bell notifications. Go ahead and just sell your first child, go to the grocery store without a mask. You know what I'm saying. Okay, back to reality. I should know this. Huh? No. That hair, bro. That hair. Oh my God. First thing you're gonna do is go down to an aquarium shop or a pet store and you're gonna get a cheap aquarium. It just has to hold water and it just has to be glass or acrylic so that you can see through it. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna fill that thing full of water. Now, trust me, water, I believe, weighs 8.3 pounds per gallon, so do not fill this thing somewhere where you have to move it, because moving it after you've filled it is next to impossible. It seems like there's not much water in there, but it's actually really heavy. After you fill up the tank, you're gonna go ahead and put something behind the tank, like a white card, which is what I was using. You can buy those down at Office Depot for like $5. Put a white foam core card behind it. That gives you your background. So we're gonna move everything into the sun. Once you have that, you're gonna take your phone and I'm gonna show you. Ooh, that's kind of cool.
We got a sighting on a squirrel. He's in the neighborhood. He's robbing pots and plants everywhere.
That's kind of cool. Okay, anyway, I don't know if we can see this on here, but if I wanted to take a picture of myself, let's say, oh, wrong direction, there we go. I'm gonna press and hold, and I'm gonna get this double blink yellow square. What that does is it locks in place the autofocus, and it also locks in place the exposure. So what I would suggest you do, hold whatever it is you want in the tank, lock that exposure and lock that autofocus right then and there. Everybody counts, 1, 2, 3. It really helps to have an assistant, or somebody like kids would have a great time with this, but it really helps to have somebody drop whatever it is you want to drop in the tank while you're taking the photos. Okay, here's the next tip. When you take a photo, man, that looks really cool. Sorry, I'm seeing it on the computer too. When you take a photo, you're gonna wanna press and hold the photo button. What that does, watch. It literally puts the camera in what's called burst mode, and it is gonna create a bunch of images all right on top of each other really fast. The reason I do that is because in burst mode, you don't have to have such good timing. So when you drop whatever it is you're dropping into the tank, you want to catch it and you want to see all the bubbles and all kinds of other cool things that are going to happen. But if you just press the button once, first of all, there's a huge delay in your phone. And second of all, you're probably not going to get the moment unless you're really practiced at doing this. Everybody count, 1, 2, 3, hold down the button on your burst mode, let the person drop, and guaranteed you're going to get something that looks pretty cool. Ooh. Got to clean off my phone. This image right here. See if you can see that. Yeah, oh, not on my eye today. On my Kiwi, there we go. This image right here I shot with my iPhone using this same technique, so I know that you can do it. Quick recap. Get yourself a tank, the least expensive one you can find. Fill it full of water. Lock your exposure and your focus on your phone by holding down your finger on where you're gonna focus. Once you see the double blink, yellow square double blink, then your focus and your exposure is locked. Then go ahead and press and hold what would be considered your shutter button. Press and hold that, which will put the camera into burst mode, which will give you a bunch of pictures to choose from. So I hope you found this video helpful. It's a great thing to do with kids if you've got kids at home that are looking for an experiment or something that they can try out. Also, some of the fun stuff to do with this is to take the photographs and flip them upside down so that it actually looks like they're coming from the bottom up. One word of caution. Anything that's heavy or doesn't float very well, be careful you don't crack the bottom of your tank. If you like this video, please hit the like button down below. That tells YouTube to go ahead and show it to other people. If you would like to subscribe, that will keep you up to speed on what's going on with my channel. And if you hit the bell notification, that'll give you a notification the next time I have new content out. Until I see you on the next video, keep it simple, my friend.